Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back, y'all. I've got a new headband wig from UNice hair, and I'm excited about it because I have been in desperate need of a headband wig, and they have upgraded this one. So this one is water wave texture. I believe it's 22 or 24 inches. Make sure you check the description box. Y'all know I'll have everything there, but you can remove the headband, okay? So it has a little zipper on it. You're able to just zip the headband right on up, attach it, detach it, wear it as a half wig if you want to, like this. So you got some styling options with this one. The removable headband also makes it very easy to clean. And then of course you've got your comb. One of my favorite details, which is the mesh cap and the elastic adjustable drawstring in the back, and Velcro to make sure everything is nice and secure, y'all. And they also gave me a white one just so that we're able to switch up our headbands as needed. So this unit came right on time for me because I was kind of on the struggle bus and my hair just needed a break. I've been wearing my half wig for a while and I was just tired of it. I just didn't feel like doing anything, and it's getting up to like 90 degrees here in Connecticut, so it's been hot. So the best thing about a headband wig, and we all know, we all love them, is this is the easiest wig you will ever have, ever do, just ever style. All you gotta do is lay them edges. That is it. So I went on ahead and used my Kiss edge control along with my Blue Lagoon jam because, like I said, the weather has been quite warm up in here, up in Connecticut, and then just pop my wig cap on. I don't personally leave like a lot of my hairline out whenever I'm doing a headband wig, but you know, do as you do. Do what you do what you want to do. This is about an inch or so is enough for me. Also, if your hair is short, I'm showing you exactly how much hair is needed for you to still slick that mug back and pop on a headband wig if you're growing it out or whatnot. So after I got everything situated exactly how I wanted it, I just went on ahead and laid my edges, just laid them with a scarf for about 5 or 10 minutes or so. You don't need anything past 10 minutes with this little combo, this edge control combo that I got going on. And this is the outcome. Look how laid we are, y'all. It's going to stay in this hot weather that we've been having. So from here is easy. So I just grabbed my headband wig and I just use the combs. I don't shove the combs into my scalp. So I loosely put them in. And honestly, y'all, I mainly just use the one at the top and one on either side. So I'll either use one at the top, one on the left side, or one at the top and one on the right side, if that makes sense. And then from here, I'm just going to lightly pull on that adjustable elastic strap in the back, tuck it in, and then use my Velcro straps as well. You have more than enough security with this unit, okay? It is not going to fall off, and it should feel very comfortable on your head more than anything. So if it's pulling, if it's too tight, adjust it. You don't have to use everything that they provide for it to, stay on your head, but make sure nothing is pulling or tugging. So after I got that situated, styling this was very easy. And let's go ahead and address something. We are now back to school. I've been complained about how quickly this summer has flown by, but this headband wig is going to save my life. I feel like everyone should have a headband unit in their stash somewhere because it just makes life easier. And this texture too makes things so quick and easy for you to just pop on. All I'm using, y'all, is just some water and some mousse and just combing it through. And that's really it. And that's what I really like about it. I didn't want anything curly, didn't really want straight. This is a really great in between, and it doesn't require a lot of work. It doesn't require really any work. Y'all see how fast I'm zooming through this. And it's just simple. It's simple, it's easy, and you look put together in no time, especially if you're like me. Pick up, drop off, school lunches, football season is coming up, little league, all the stuff. Y'all, can y'all believe Isaiah is now going to 5th grade? Oh my gosh. Anyways, so your girl be busy, okay? I be busy over here, and this is right up my alley. This is definitely a busy mom style, and this is how it looks when it's all dry. And y'all know we got about 1 more month of this hot weather here in Connecticut, and then it's about to get real cool. So for now, I just throw my hair up in a pie ponytail or a bun, which you'll see in just a second. But you got some options. Throw it up, leave it down, whatever you feel, girl. And then next, y'all, I wanted to show y'all how I did the half up, half down ponytail without like really messing up my hair, just to give you some quick styling options. So I just took 2 sections right in the front. The rest of my hair, I just put in a ponytail and then popped my half wig on, because now we didn't took off the headband part, okay? So now it's just a half wig, and this is what we are looking at. I'm going to put these 2 sections in a ponytail and then braid the rest of my hair. And then I'm just going to cross them over like my natural hair. I'm gonna cross it over and tuck it into the ponytail so that it can't be seen. And then I'll gather all the hair up in the middle. It sounds like a lot, it's not, it's super easy. And it was very quick, and I was able to switch up my style in no time. So this is a really great option too. If you got your edges laid exactly how you want them, you don't want to do too much, maybe you've been out and about all day, but you got date night coming up and you want a little high ponytail situation, y'all see exactly how I'm doing this. I barely did anything to my hair that was already done. I'm just adding my ponytails like I said. I'm gonna gather it all at the top of my head, and then I'm good to go with a different style using the half wig option of this headband wig. So if you see me on TikTok wearing this style, this is the wig that I was wearing, y'all. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I did grab 2 bobby pins and just took a little piece of hair on both sides to make sure the hair like stayed in the front and just kind of wrapped around a ponytail nicely. Y'all get what I'm trying to say. It worked out. It was cute. I loved it. My husband loved it, and I was ready for date night. After I did this little bit, I just went on ahead, grabbed my little makeup bag, put my earrings on, did some finishing touch-ups, and I was good to go. Now, this may be one of those units, if you need a refresh, you need a fresh one, you may want to go ahead and add to cart now so that you're prepared for date nights, school days, running errands, all the things that the rest of the this year is gonna throw at you. Feel free to drop any comments, questions down below. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll talk to y'all in my next one. Bye.